Okay. There we go.
First bath.
No.
She hates it. Okay, we need to get her face.
Sweet girl, say hi. Eek! Look over here.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, poor sweet girl. She's probably hot. Just let her dry.
Yeah.
Let her air dry. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, so okay, honey.
Sweetie,
now we're
are
gonna
they
go,
torturing you?
now
Just
we're
tell
gonna
me.
Go get brushed.
Tell us how it
Say
is.
hi.
Tell us how it
Did
is.
you miss Katie today? She missed you very much. Give her a kiss.
I wonder if she was hot.
I wouldn't get near her mouth. It's more like they should go rawr.
Hey, she got her teeth brushed yesterday. Where'd the
Ryan, you're
No,
on.
I meant there's more
You're on
risk.
video right now.
And this is negotiable.
This might end up on
I love
Facebook.
my sweet girl. Will you grab the brushes?
Sweetie,
Yes.
sweetie,
Say hi. Say
Hi.
hi. Oh, she's still shaking.
say hi to the camera. Tell us how
Give
it
the
is.
camera a kiss.
Tell us how it is.
Mwah.
Oh, thank you. The camera loves that.
Yeah.
The camera's feeling the love.
Okay, now we're going downstairs.
Do you guys feel like
Well,
famous
I
right
think-
now?
Yeah.
Ryan, how was
Clearer
it?
than
I think there's little risk that you'll try to come into my room.
How was it, Ryan? Was it just awful?
No.
She was
Are
really
you-
good in the bathtub. It was just the whole.
The second showering.
Yeah, the
turns her
second
off.
showering she didn't like, and then it was the whole drying thing that she didn't like.
Are you glad she's clean now, though?
Yeah.
Was it worth it?
She smells very good. And her teeth are clean. And now we're gonna brush her when she's a little bit more dry.
Back to a safe place.
Oh, now you wanna play, huh? Here, let's give her a treat.
Oh!
Yeah, she deserves
She's saying hi to
many
the
treats.
camera.
She
Sweet
deserves
girl.
Many treats.
Don't pretend like you're all happy now.
I know.
Don't give us that.